Wednesday. How are you guys doing? Guys, we're going to this Best Buy. So where you can get your computers, laptop, and everything. Even TV, electronic device, and whatever, name it. Even they have also kitchenwares. Kitchen equipment, I mean, not wares. So yeah, there you go guys. We just arrived. There you go. It's a big store. Few minutes drive from our house, from Leduc, but few minutes, like what, 15 minutes. 15 minute drive. All right, we're here for something.
Potentially a dash cam for Leah. I wrecked hers, so.
Yeah, actually this dash cam is not working. This is just a
decoration.
decoration. What you did?
I threw something in the car and it was big and heavy, and I bashed off her plug.
Yeah, the
because
plug.
it was plugged at the back.
Yeah. See you guys. I'll show you inside. There you go. Next base, but it's not.
Okay, what was the brand we're looking for?
Nexar. I think they don't carry that one. Well, this one has ano din, like.
That's the pop go.
Yeah. Oh, maybe here. Oh, no. It's camera.
So what's the story on thinkware? They don't look cheap.
It's $399.
So what are you getting here?
This one, thinkware.
4K, night vision, red light, speed camera, alerts, parking surveillance, Wi-Fi, mobile app.
Is it dual camera? Parking surveillance? No.
Main virtual.
Yeah, mobile app.
Does that mean it's connecting to your phone as well?
Yeah.
This might actually even be better. Let's get some assistance over here.
Hero 7, Hero 9. Cameras. Drone.
So this one will be, you want both rear and front?
Well, it'd be nice to have the, like, see this? This has got the double.
Yes, yes, yes.
So, where's your Papa Goes? Do you have them?
Whatever we have should be on the floor. Let me see what.
I don't see any Papa Goes.
Yeah, I don't see any either.
Computer. Okay, guys. Sabi nila, if I'm a member, I got my computer here. So I became a member automatically, and they are giving me 25% off in the cartridge. Oh, diba? So now, bye-bye. I think this one is 25% off. 25% off. Yeah. Do they have 2 blocks? Okay. Pag dalawang block, 73. Yeah, same price. Alright. I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy this black one. I don't need colored one. Okay. Look at the TV, guys. So neat. Ayun mo, kung gusto niya. Saan ito? Okay. Nice. 99,000. Diba? 98 inches. What? Samsung. Sorry. Ang daming TV. Oh my god, look at the resolution. No, I'm just checking. Thank you. TV. Where are you? Hi.
Thinkware Qled. It's got all the high tech. This is the one.
Yeah, right. So guys, we're gonna buy this one.
Yep. Go home, you install that tonight. And it's an app, right? You download an app. It's a little bit more money than what we hoped, but carriages?
Yeah, 25% off.
Not 50% off. Let's not even go to the TV department.
I went there.
Oh, you already had your fun.
You can use it by, Wi-Fi. $1,500. LG. Hey, hey.
Turbo steam.
Yes. Heavy duty.
Refresh and deep wrinkle in just 10 minutes.
Crazy, huh?
That's fancy, man.
Brand new house, brand new everything. Oh, and this one is washing machine. Ooh. And this washing machine too, right? Yeah, all of it.
With the washer?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a dryer.
A dryer ba?
That's a washer.
Both.
You should write it right
Sensory dry. So it means.
on there. That's the dryer, that's the wash.
Oh, okay.
I guess. Must be a team, right? Yeah, that's the dryer. That's the washer.
Wow.
So $3,000, and you got the Cadillac unit.
Yeah. And see,
Oh, yeah.
these are old one, old design, but still
Yes, yeah, this is like the industrial version.
cheaper.
No, more money probably.
Cheaper.
Oh, what?
That's LG. Oh, this both LG. Yeah.
This one's got bottom drawers.
What's in there? Maybe your soap and everything,
Sure, your
detergent.
supplies.
Yeah. Supplies. Wow. Wow. And this one? This one, what we are using right now.
Okay, that's low technology there.
That's what we have.
See, if that one died, we could always tell our landlord, we're just going to order our own and then take it with us when we leave.
You could, yeah.
You could always do that.
Fridge.
What is this?
Purifier.
Air purifying. No, we're just wandering through. Thank you.
Purifier.
Purifies the mind.
Ooh, but
For the modern day household, it has
maybe no,
everything.
I like that one.
What?
No. What is that? I thought it's the
Oh, look at this.
yeah, this one that I like. And I can
Shit,
put
yeah.
pancake here, or you know.
Oh wow, it's got a built-in griddle right on
Yeah.
top, eh? It's gas. I like that. No, we're already done.
I prefer like this one from now on. I mean, you know, that's Samsung, eh?
Yeah. I like gas.
Look at this one.
Because you know it's gonna do what it's gotta do.
Auto connectivity Bluetooth.
Bluetooth on a stove.
Look at this. There is only 13. How much is this one? Look at that.
Is it all the same unit?
No, it's different. This is
Oh.
separate.
Oh,
And this is separate.
It's nice too.
Yay,
And
Samsung.
if you like purple drink, there's plenty.
Everything is Samsung. Samsung cheese.
Samsung is in the cheese business now. They're even making fucking cookies over here.
Wow. Triple and metal cooling. What's underneath? Can you close it? Maybe we can put our
That's where you
picture
keep all the
here.
Haagen-Dazs. Oh.
You can connect your phone here.
Oh my god. Oh wow. Look at this wine rack.
Mm.
And the crispers. And where's your ice? Where's your water? It's right here.
Like, okay, play my favorite music on
Your fridge becomes your best friend.
home.
You're lonely? Stop
Smart.
to the fridge. Fridge, can you please talk to the washer and dryer and tell them to get their shit
Wash-
together and do my laundry?
Yeah. On home.
Okay, I had no idea that appliances if you come to my town.
Let's check LG. They're big competitors now, huh? Samsung is...
I gotta go today, so.
Oh, with oven na baby. One time big ta. Oh, I like this one. This one.
Me
set.
too.
Wow.
We should go buy it.
It's $3,000.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yay, we're having fun. Keep telling myself that.
There you go. We're done, guys.
Get in there. Close it now.
Thank
Watch
you.
out.
Thank you.
All right.
There you go, guys. Menu. Dash. I thought we're not gonna buy today because look, we saw this one at the...
Knowing that you're coming into the city tomorrow, I'll be happy that's going to be hooked up and working.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope nag-enjoy kayo sa sa Best Buy. Roaming around, checking all their stuff. Expensive stuff.
We just saw some appliances that were pretty fancy. Imagine appliances that have Bluetooth technology. My goodness. Fridges and stoves and
Washing machine.
Washing machine. It's
You
crazy.
can play your phone in the... Thank you guys. Have a good one. And stay blessed, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.
See you guys.